If your goal is to build strength and muscle, then incorporating compound lifts into your workout routine is essential. Compound lifts are multi-joint exercises that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, allowing you to lift heavier weights and stimulate greater muscle growth. Join us today as we delve into the world of compound lifts and discover the tremendous benefits they offer for building strength and packing on muscle mass. Number 1. Efficient muscle activation. Compound lifts require the coordinated effort of several muscle groups, resulting in a more comprehensive and efficient workout. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and overhead presses engage major muscle groups such as the legs, back, chest, and shoulders, maximizing muscle activation and promoting overall strength gains. Number 2. Increased hormonal response. Compound lifts have been shown to elicit a greater hormonal response compared to isolation exercises. These lifts stimulate the release of testosterone and growth hormone, both of which play a crucial role in muscle growth, strength development, and overall body composition. Number 3. Functional strength and power. Compound lifts mimic real-life movements and enhance functional strength and power, as these exercises involve multiple joints and muscle groups. They improve coordination, stability, and overall athleticism, making everyday tasks and sports activities easier and more efficient. Number 4. Greater caloric expenditure. Due to their high intensity and involvement in multiple muscle groups, compound lifts require significant energy expenditure during and after the workout. This means you can burn more calories even during periods of rest compared to isolation exercises supporting your weight loss or body recomposition goals. Number 5. Increased muscle fiber recruitment. Compound lifts recruit a large number of muscle fibers, including both fast-twitch and slow-twitch fibers. This comprehensive muscle fiber activation leads to greater muscle growth potential and improved overall muscle development. Number 6. Progressive overload and strength development. Compound lifts lend themselves well to progressive overload, which is crucial for continuous strength development. By gradually increasing the weight or intensity over time, you challenge your muscles to adapt and grow stronger, resulting in increased muscle mass and improved overall performance. Number 7. Enhanced core stability. Compound lifts require a strong and stable core to maintain proper form and technique. As a result, these exercises indirectly strengthen your core muscles, including the abdominal and lower back muscles, improving stability, balance, and overall postural control. Number 8. Time-efficient workouts. Incorporating compound lifts into your workout routine allows you to target multiple muscle groups simultaneously, reducing the need for lengthy, isolated exercises. This makes your workouts more time-efficient, allowing you to achieve optimal results in less time. Number 9. Versatility and variety. Compound lifts offer a wide range of variations and exercise options, allowing you to tailor your workouts to your specific goals and preferences. Whether you prefer barbell exercises, dumbbell variations, or bodyweight movements, there are numerous compound lifts to choose from, ensuring you never get bored with your training routine. Number 10. Progressive programming and adaptation. Compound lifts provide a solid foundation for progressive programming and adaptation. With a systematic approach to increasing weight, repetitions, or intensity, you can continually challenge your muscles and prevent plateaus, promoting continuous strength and muscle gains. Incorporating compound lifts into your strength training routine is a game changer when it comes to building muscle and increasing strength. These multi-joint exercises offer numerous benefits, including efficient muscle activation, functional strength development, and hormonal response. So if you're looking to take your workouts to the next level, embrace the power of compound lifts and unlock your full strength and muscle building potential.